In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Duolingo Math app onto your device so you can start enhancing your math skills with this innovative tool. It's pretty straightforward, even if you're not too familiar with downloading apps. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your device, whether that's a desktop computer, tablet, or smartphone. You're going to need an internet connection for this, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have access to mobile data. Once your browser is open, you'll need to navigate to the Duolingo blog. You can do this by typing in the URL blog.duolingo.com. It's a good idea to make sure you type this in correctly to avoid any detours while trying to find the right page. After you've arrived at the Duolingo blog, take a moment to look around and you'll see a post about the launch of the Duolingo Math app. This is where you'll find all the information you need, as well as the link to download the app to your device. Now find the section in the post that talks about downloading the app. There will be a link or button that directly leads you to the App Store appropriate for your device. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, it will direct you to the Apple App Store. Android users will be sent to the Google Play Store. Once you click the link, you'll be directed to the respective App Store page for Duolingo Math. Here, you'll see the familiar download option. For most devices, there will be a button that either says Get or Install. Click on this and the download process will begin. The download should start immediately, but it might take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the app has been downloaded and installed, you'll see an icon for Duolingo Math on your home screen or in your app library. Before you open the app, ensure that you have enough space on your device. Having adequate storage will help the app run smoothly and efficiently. If necessary, clear some unused files or apps to make space. Once you see the Duolingo Math icon, tap on it to open. You'll be prompted to set up an account or log in if you already have Duolingo credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your profile and start your math learning journey. That's it! You've successfully downloaded the Duolingo Math app onto your device. Now, you can enjoy learning with interactive lessons designed to make math fun and engaging. Happy learning, and see you in the next tutorial.